Galaxy M53 users, the wait is finally over. A major change is here, and it's big. Samsung has officially started rolling out the much-anticipated One UI 7 update based on Android 15, and it brings a fresh new look, smarter features, and smoother performance. As of mid-June 2025, the Galaxy M53 5G is getting the update in South Korea, and Samsung plans to expand it to more countries very soon. So, if you're a Galaxy M53 owner, get ready. Your phone is about to feel brand new. The update is around 3 gigabits, so before you hit download, make sure you're connected to Wi-Fi. Once installed, you'll notice exciting changes like a vertical scrolling app drawer, the brand new Now bar, redesigned app icons with a fresh, modern look, bigger home screen folders, more powerful widget customization options, a smoother and cleaner user interface. Even Samsung's stock app icons got a makeover, making everything look more vibrant and interactive. Plus, this update brings the latest security patch, improving your phone's safety and stability. To check for the update, go to Settings, Software Update, Download and Install. If it's available, don't wait. Update now and enjoy a next-level Galaxy experience. And if it hasn't landed in your region yet, hang tight. It's coming your way very soon.